Here's a walkthrough video for Unit 301 at 175 Mill Pond Road in Hamden. Okay, the entrance for the apartment is right here where it says 301 to 316. All the way down there is the last foyer is where the laundry room is. I believe it's 342. The same key that you'll open this door with will open that door. It will also open the back door. So you can also go at the side. There's a side door over here. The master key is not going to open that. You will use the apartment door key, which we'll show you as we get into the apartment. Parking for this space, for this apartment is right there. There's one space right there. There's visitor spaces here. You can park there. There's a visitor space over here where this red vehicle is. You can park there. There's more visitor parking spaces down by the stop sign. You cannot park underneath the building. All of the spaces underneath the building belong to owners. So don't park there, you will get towed. The same master key will open up. Oh, before we do that, here's the yellow lockbox, and we'll give you the combo for that. And your keys will be in that, so you can get in here. So the same master key will open this front door, and then we'll also open the back door that goes down to the garages area. We'll go and check that out, but before we do that, let's, well, actually we could do it this way. We'll go down to the apartment. Before we do that, the mailbox, there's a mailbox key for right there, 301. There's only one key that we've been able to include. You can go get a second copy made of that if you'd like. We'll head on down here. We'll just show you. There's an exit door right here. It's a little dark in here right now. If you go down the exit door, this will take you to where the parking under the building is. And you can use your master key to get in here as well, which is over by your parking space. So your parking space is right over there. Here's the 301 parking space. Again, you can't park under the building, and you cannot park along the edges here. You'll get towed. You can only park where it says 301 or visitor. And we'll come in here. We'll use the master key to open this thing up. And we'll go up to the first level, which is really the lower level. And then we'll go into the apartment. So your apartment is number 301. It's right here. Welcome to Unit 301 of 175 Mill Pond Road in Hamden, Connecticut. This condominium community hosts many beautiful condos, and this is just one. As we come into the hall foyer area, and there's a coat closet here, a pantry storage area there, and this door actually goes into a walk-in closet, which is part of the primary bedroom. This door could be locked, so people can't get in here if you don't want them to. So as we head down, what we see is the dining room area. And everything's been painted a nice silver gray color. There's the hallway we just came through. And there's the kitchen. And we'll walk into the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet, which I showed you briefly, and it has a half bath, which you can see by looking straight ahead. So there's that closet we came into right there. Again, that door could be locked, so nobody can get in there if you don't want them to. And then here is the half bath, nice and clean, nice and updated. Now look out to the right. The kitchen is to the right, and the dining room is to the left. There's that pantry storage area over there. And within the kitchen, we have a refrigerator freezer, we have a dishwasher, we have a stove and a microwave, Everything is nice and clean. Nice and clean. Worn on the top, but clean. There you go. And the dishwasher. If the power's not working for you, one switch is for the dishwasher, one is for the garbage disposal. As we come out of the kitchen, over to the right is the living room area. Nice big area, and you'll see there's all new laminate floors down here. And as I come over here, what you'll see looking up is you'll see skylights. So natural lighting, really nice. And this is the entrance to the parking area, if you didn't want to go through the main lobby. There's the heating system right there. Work on all the way down. And as we come down through the living room, there's the dining room area again. We make a right, and here's the full bath, which is in the hallway. It's outside the other bedroom and outside the kitchen area. So really nice, nice and clean, like you expect it to be. And here's the other bedroom. Good sized bedroom. Good sized closet. New floors. Smoke detectors like you'd expect to see. And just outside of that door there are the breakers. In case you pop something, you overload the circuits, you can take care of that from right within the unit. And that is an entire tour of the interior of Unit 301 at 175 Mill Pond Road in Hamden. Thank you for watching.